okay, this is what we wanted, and this is what is going to happen. Okay, so DVSA is going to make 4 changes, and these changes are going to implement from the spring 2026. It's not going to be immediately implemented, but obviously they're going to do some sort of legislation. And what are those changes? I'm going to categorize them in 4. Okay, so 4 major changes they're going to make in DVSA booking system. The first one is going to be obviously the booking system. Okay, so currently anybody can book tests on your name and they can sell it. Okay, so DVSA is going to block that booking. Nobody can be able to book the test on your name. Neither is going to be computer system, any company, any agency, any other person as well. Okay, so you can book your test by yourself, and that's why nobody will be able to sell your test to anybody else, because people were exploiting. They were selling the test for 500, 600 pounds as well. Okay, so that's the first change. The second change will be you will not be able to change your booking, swap the booking. Okay, only 2 times you can change your booking. Okay, so by doing that, obviously what's going to happen, like people used to book in quieter areas, and they used to bring in busy areas and used to sell those tests. They're not going to be able to do that as well. So that's the second change. The third change will be you will not be able to book your test outside of your region. Okay, so they will make some sort of regions, and you will be able to book the test only in that region. If you're going to book the test outside of that region, you have to give a proper reason for that. Okay, so that will be the third change. Okay, the fourth one will be the Ministry of Defense examiners. They're going to conduct the tests as well in the local areas. So they are going to designate 36 Ministry of Defense examiners to do the learners test. Currently, they are only doing the army personnel's exams. So they're going to do those exams, learners exams as well. For that, they're going to train them in the local areas, so they learn the local test routes as well, and that will be implemented soon. Soon the legislation gets approved. Okay, so we are expecting it might be. Okay, you guys might be thinking when it's going to happen. So mostly people are expecting everything will be in place from February, because the target is spring. Okay, so by the summer you will see the loads of difference in the booking system, and you will start getting the dates. And I am expecting these changes soon. They're gonna put in the system. Okay, you will get the dates straight away, because people are exploiting at the moment. So they won't be able to change and swap the dates, and that's how they're gonna release them. Obviously they can't keep them, they can't sell them. Okay, so they will release them, and you will get those dates. And good luck. Thank you very much.